Guys, so I'm testing my environment, and let's a little bit talking about um, so the charts when my model is training. Each point it's different actions. For example, let's look in. Okay, starting new session. For example, you see uh, this strategy trying to trade using breakout strategy, and this is a long position. This black points it is a stop loss. Next, the strategy trying to trade another point. Okay, it's working in real time stream. Right now, it is about 11 different actions with different strategies. Let's look in a little bit. Okay, red point is close position, and for example, it's looking for this one. Yeah, it's trying to take short profit. It is a long position, and you see sometimes when we get a good profit and I stop training because it is a good profit for me, and I'm trying to train this agent achieve this profit during the day. And you see this progressive reward, and mostly we have positive reward for all epochs, but it is working right now in the browser, and it is not big neural network because my resources is limited. It would be another challenge for me how to scale this one with mother server, but right now I'm trying to explain you what is okay. You see, for example, right now it is short and strategy reverse strategy. It means mean reversing strategy because sometimes you have follow trend signals, sometimes you have mean reversing strategy, and I'm trying to train this agent recognize the state of the market and trade correctly. Okay, and okay, it will be a little bit theory, and then I'm trying to explain something. It is epsilon, it is alpha, and gamma. Okay, I remember in your mind what it means. Epsilon, it is some coefficient. Uh, Depends on this coefficient, we can influence on our exploiting policy. For example, let's look at 14 here, 14%. It means in 14%, we have only some random signal to explore our environment. But on 85%, it would be action from our agent, from our neural network. Sometimes you see this epsilon, it's flexible. It's very important because I'm tracking current reward, and if reward not successful in this trade, I increase this epsilon because I'm trying to say for this agent, hey, let's do more exploration, more exploring. It is alpha. It's super important coefficient. Another word is learning rate. And be careful when you set up your alpha is very high, and it means your agent trying to adapt on your new state very quick, and you forgot everything your experiences. and this alpha should be slow. A little bit explain it later. You need to remember Bellman equation, and inside in this Bellman equation, here some value like 1 minus alpha. For example, if you 1 minus 0.9, it would be 0.1, and then you multiply this value on your q value, and you achieve change everything inside in this q value, and it's bad. Be careful with this. Okay, this is gamma. This gamma coefficient is influence on long-term reward. What does it mean? For example, if we have this value is about 0.9, I'm trying to explore what is long-term reward would be for agent, and this agent trying to pay attention only long-term rewards. But if you decrease this value on 0.2 or 0.6, it means trying to take rewards on the nearest future. But right now I'm testing between 0.95 and 1. And also you see it's flexible, depends of learn rate policy in general, because I created a class and inside in this class I calculate everything. Let's look on the console. You see in general the reward is positive, yeah, but not increase all times. You see, for example, for 40, 41, and you see this is some environment from rules from environment. I achieve profit for one trade, so I'm trying to take this agent. Oh, this is a good trade. So please more do more these actions. Or for example, during the day I have profit. Let's look in limit trade. Well, all times trying to trade on this stuff. It's interesting. Okay, I would like to show you. Okay, you see, sometimes you see I achieve daily loss, and it means I store this rewards, negative rewards in my Q value, and it means this agent trying to avoid the situation. You see, like right now. Also, daily loss limit, and trying to say this agent, oh, this is not a good situation, trying to avoid this. And when you have minus rewards, and when you update your Q value, and the agent trying to avoid the situation. And the same, let's look in. Sometimes I have for day profit the same would be. Okay, let's look in again. What is the strategy? Short, good. Action, reversion strategy, short, trying to show it is good. And very interesting when I watch on this trading process. It's very interesting strategy of agent. Agent trying to make some actions, for example, long and short, and after that, agent trying to set up some stop loss. What is, yeah, you see, short, it's not good, and stop loss. You see, again, stop loss. Or for example, I would like to show you some, yeah, and this agent also trade with leverage, and sometimes this agent trying to increase or decrease leverage. In my cases, it would be like a yellow point, but I don't see this one right now. Okay, let's look at what is okay. Oh, okay. So you see, scale out long position. It means agent trying to scale out, but it's not correct right now. Okay, we're trying to achieve another scale out short position. Okay, it makes sense because we have some movement. And what is okay? It's long stop loss here. What is the current position right now? Okay, right now we haven't any position because we exit from stop loss. And let's wait in. Yeah, I know it's very slowly. I need to update my MacBook. Okay, let's look in. Breakout strategy again. Stop loss, of course. The strategy of this agent. Set up stop loss. Okay, long. I'm not sure, but it would be very great if we achieve some positive rewards during the day, because it's the main idea. And I think let's look in. Yeah, you see, it's updating like positive rewards, so during the day I achieve. And you see, for long-term rewards, um, this answer is gamma coefficient. It means during the day sometimes we have negative rewards, like right now, but agent trying to achieve positive rewards during the day. Good. What is okay? It's short gain stop loss. Okay, let's look at what happens here. What is it? Short. Okay, good. Short, and you see, after short, I have stop loss again. Okay, it's good, but it's profit. It means okay. Here I'm trying to implement trading stop loss. I think it will be working better. Okay, I stop it, and let's look in some theory for you. Some topics. Yeah. Do you remember I talking about alpha? So let's read these articles. Yeah, a little bit later. I share this website for you because right now I'm debugging all times my AI models. Okay, so alpha. Alpha, it is a learning rate. It is how your Q table is updating. When you have very high alpha, your Q value updating is very quickly. And when you do it multiple times using the replay buffer, and this neural network could forgot everything what learned in the past. Be careful with this one. A very big value, it's not good. And yeah, it is some an example how alpha like 0.5 influence your Q value. See, your Q value updating like this one. But if you have alpha with 0.0001 and your alpha it's less more than twice, you see, and it is so here some disadvantages when you have very high alpha, your learning process would be not stable because you're trying to adapt very quickly on your current session and forgot everything what happens in the past, and you could achieve overfitting because you could adapt on the current situation but forgot everything. Okay, I think it would be useful for you to understand what is learning rate, what is alpha, and be careful to use very high value alpha in your project. Bye.